Alright, today I want to talk about work in an international environment and my idea to further improve international trade. First of all, I want to give you a short overview over the current situation. Nowadays, international trade plays a major role in our everyday lives, and the export numbers are now 6 times higher than they were 30 years ago. This is not only due to an improvement of the political situation all over the world, but also due to an improvement in connectivity and digitalization. Good example for this would be internet, laptops, smartphones or other smart devices, as they are beneficial for strategic planning or international trade in general, as they make it much easier and more cheaper than traveling. Now, at this trend of digitalization, I want to implement my idea. To start off, you surely know that nearly every company all over the world has an online forum for its employees, or a kind of platform where new information like job postings or statements of the CEOs are public for the employees. In my opinion, this is a very good start to integrate these new informations or ideas of the company and making them easily accessible for the employees, but I think that this should be further used as a source of information, especially when it comes to an international or intercultural context. Now I want to explain to you why I think this is very beneficial. When you think about an international meeting or context in general, you will notice that it's not only the hard facts that are important, but also, of course, the soft facts, which are determining a successful outcome of an international negotiation. This might not only be the culture in general, but also the behavior, different acts, or the religion of your partner or the country that you want to visit. I think to start off an online index in a company that is filled with the necessary information and experiences of the employees over time is not that hard, because, as I said, it's going to be filled over time, and I think it's a good option to combine the trend of digitalization and further globalization. This trend or this index would shift the knowledge of a few managers to the totality of all employees by making the information very easily accessible, and I think that this would make the international trade not only easier for everybody, but also more successful and more efficient.